So this is Waverley railway station, which is in Edinburgh, and these are the Waverley steps, which we're going to go down and go into the railway station. So on the right you got Waverley marking, pick up a sandwich there, and I'm sure there's a lift if you're not good on your feet. There's an escalator there, moving stairs they call them. So this is quite a big railway station. I think Glasgow's got the nicest railway station, called Central Station, which I've done a video of, but today we're in Waverley Station, which is in Edinburgh. So we're going to take the moving stairs. Do they call them moving stairs? What do they call them in the States? Moving stairs. So it says you've got free Wi-Fi there anyway. So I say this is a huge railway station. So it goes to Perth, Glasgow, Queen Street. It's a huge railway station. They are. The British police in the foreign car. I don't know what I presume that's a Renault, I'm not really sure on the car. Bit of exercise, isn't it? All these bloody stairs. I'm sure there's lifts and things if you're in a wheelchair or not very good on your feet. What do we do before without camera phones? I mean, obviously I'm filming using a camera phone, but everywhere you look people are taking pictures and this and that. Look at that, people who need people. So the train, get a train to London, Inverness, Newcastle, Gonorrhea, Glasgow Central. Platforms 2 to 5, cycling park, station reception, way out. So I mean, you could do a bit of people spotting. Take your dog by rail, so you have to pay for it. England, so you have to pay for your dog. They wouldn't let you have much for nothing, would they? You think kids would go free at a certain age, and dogs would go free, but no. I mean, they charge you for everything, for having a pee. I suppose someone has to clean the toilets after you, don't they? But really, it's 50 pence or a pound, the price they should charge you for having a pee. But anyway, there's one of the trains. Let's have a look at the trains. I know some of you are train spotters. Some of you looking at the women and some of you looking at the guys. But let's have a look at the trains. So there it is, look at the nose on that. So that's a disabled ramp. Just for a wheelchair. So look at that ceiling, roof. So they've even got a place you can leave your case there, left luggage. Some glass on that roof, isn't there? The Great Scott. So I think this train's going to take off. Let's watch it go. He's going to blow his whistle. There we go. So you still got some of the old buildings left, these sandstone buildings here. I don't know whether the roof here is original. Obviously it must have been added on over the years, but that building looks definitely original. I go back to the 1800s, that one. They are 25 to 11. They are passenger assistants. There's so many different train companies, you know. Personally, I think they should all be nationalised because I use the trains quite often. Sometimes they don't go and this and that, you know. So I'm trying to find my train, but it doesn't seem to be up there. So there's another posh train there. Welcome to the first class lounge. So you probably need first class money to go there, you know. So I've never heard of this company Liner, but they've got nice new trains anyway. So they've at least got 20 platforms here. Platform 11. So I want to say thanks for watching. If you put a like for me, if you would, maybe put a comment. Cheers.